It is reported that earlier this morning around 7 o'clock, a group of men, about 6 men, they were driving a blue VW Polo. They came here to the taxi rank and they started shooting. And after they have fled the scene, it was found out that about 4 people, they were declared dead on the scene. Out of those 4 people, it's one taxi driver, one queue marshal, and two passengers. And then out of that, 3 more people were also injured. Out of the injured people, it is one university student, a passenger, one of the passengers of who uses the taxis, and also a taxi driver. So at the moment, we don't really know what happened, but the preliminary investigation, it reveals that it might be taxi violence related. So as the police in Gauteng, the provincial commissioner has already mobilized resources, including our taxi violence unit that will be investigating this matter.